Union Minister and BJP veteran Murli Manohar Joshi on Thursday expressed concern over the treatment of students protesting in New Delhi's Jantar Mantar, eyeing their grievances over the examination system were genuine and should not be reduced to a law and order issue. In a post on X, Joshi said it was painful to see students from different parts of the country camping on the streets of the national capital for days, urging the authorities to address their concerns with empathy and work towards a lasting solution. He wrote that the anxieties and concerns of students regarding the examination system are genuine and must be handled with empathy and a desire to find a lasting solution. The senior BJP leader also cautioned against the use of force to disperse the protesters, saying he hoped the situation would not be treated merely as a law and order problem. Warning that such action could have wider consequences, the veteran BJP leader added that such use of force will alienate large sections of Indian society from the national goal of Viksit Bharat.